Something exciting just leaked, and it could be the next tiny beast from Insta360. It's not what people were expecting though. Most of us thought the next launch would be the Go 4, a regular update that followed the usual pattern. But what showed up in the leak was something called the Go 4S, and that caught everyone off guard. This is not the normal update. It feels more like a sneaky upgrade, maybe even a soft refresh, but it might be a smart move by Insta360 because they know how to listen to creators and drop updates that really matter. In the past, they've made changes to improve video and sound without changing the small body everyone loves. So when you see a leak like this one, it makes you stop and think, maybe they're doing it again, this time with something that looks familiar but has a lot more power inside. If the Go 4S is real, we might be looking at one of the most compact and useful cameras for creators who need fast, clean results without big setups. Let's take a closer look at what we found. The first thing to notice is the design. The body looks very similar to the older models from the Go series. It's small, simple, and clean, still built for magnetic mounting and easy POV shots. That's what made the Go series so popular in the first place, and it's good to see that idea is not changing. But then there's the lens. It looks bigger than what we saw on the Go 3S, and that could mean big things. A larger lens usually means a bigger sensor or better optics, or maybe both. That means sharper footage, clearer color, and stronger detail, even in tough lighting conditions. The Go 3S was already the first to shoot native 4K in this series. So what would the Go 4S bring? Maybe it keeps the same resolution but adds better light handling, maybe better shadow and highlight control, or smoother color transitions. These are things creators notice when they record on the Go below. The lens is a thin light strip. This is likely the record indicator, just like in previous models, so nothing surprising there, but next to it is a small button. Probably the quick record trigger, again very familiar for anyone who used the Go 3S. But under the lens is where things get really interesting. In the past, there was only one small cutout, but now there are two. The second one might be a flash, and that would be a first for any Go series camera. Think about that for a second. A built-in flash in a cam this small could totally change how people shoot. In dark rooms or at night, imagine walking into a space with low lighting and not having to attach anything extra, just hit record and get a clean, bright shot. Right now, vloggers and creators often have to carry tiny lights or edit brightness later in post. But with a built-in flash, it becomes one less thing to worry about audio. Might also be getting better. The Go 3S already gave us a solid boost in sound quality over the Go 3. So if the Go 4S keeps pushing that forward, we could be looking at some of the best audio ever from a micro cam that would help in places with wind traffic or background noise. Looking closely at the leaked case, you can clearly see the words Go 4S printed on it, which is strange because the Go 3S launched only last year. So this new version feels fast, almost too fast, unless this is a soft refresh like a Go 3S Plus. But with new features, one idea is that Insta360 is testing the waters with this Go 4S. Maybe it's part one of a two-part rollout. This version comes out now as a stronger version of the Go 3S, and then later they release a full redesign called the Go 4, whatever the plan is. One thing is clear, Insta360 isn't slowing down at all. They know the market is getting more competitive, especially with other brands making noise, and they want to stay ahead by bringing new features into the same pocket-sized format. If this leak is real, then creators could soon get their hands on a cam that's light enough to clip on a shirt, but strong enough to handle pro-level shooting. It keeps the style of the Go series, but gives more control, better light, and smoother sound. And those are the things that actually help people create better content. One of the things people love about the Go series is how simple it is. You just snap it on and press record. It's not bulky and doesn't pull attention. Now imagine keeping all that but adding a brighter lens, more detail, and even a flash that could change how people shoot everyday moments. Also, the Go 4S might include better stabilization, though the leak doesn't confirm that, but it would make sense because each version has improved on that part and creators really need it, especially when walking, running, or capturing action. So to sum it all up, the Go 4S might not be a major leap like a brand new model, but it could be a very smart refresh. It sticks to what works, adds new tools, and avoids getting bloated. And if Insta360 keeps going like this, they'll stay ahead of the curve in the micro action cam world. So now you've seen what the leaked info shows and what it could mean for creators everywhere. The Insta360 GO 4S might just be the surprise update no one asked for, but everyone actually needs. It keeps the tiny design everyone loves, but makes some key improvements that could really boost performance in real life. use with a better lens, possible flash, smoother audio, and maybe even stronger stabilization. This little camera could be a perfect match for vloggers, action lovers, and anyone who wants to shoot clean content without carrying a big setup. If this cam is real, we might see a reveal soon. Insta360 doesn't wait too long when the buzz starts. And if they do announce it, you can bet that Factic will be the first to break it all down in full detail. So, if you want to stay ahead in the world of action cams and pocket power devices, make sure to follow along, hit that like button. If you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next big drop from the tech world. See you in the next one, and keep creating your story, one frame at a time.